Hey, I am the Ketoing Viking, and today we are going to tackle salmon with dill sauce. I've heard it's a big deal. We'll get to it. Okay, right now we are going to take our frozen salmon pieces, skin down, and I'm going to put it in the pan. I have some butter in there already. For exact amounts, please look at the description below, and we are going to put this on the stove. Okay, so we have our salmon in the pan, and it is warming up. As it's warming up, you could tell these are very frozen, very frozen. As we have it warming up, we're going to use some garlic or black garlic, whichever one is your preference. We're going to season very well. And then, aha! Volcano lava salt. Tears of the dragon. Little tiny bit. Now this is going to make the top of your salmon very black. That is okay. There we go. All right, now come and join me to make the sauce. Okay. As you can see, the salmon is grilling behind me. Now for the sauce. We are going to start with some sour cream. Next, mustard and a little bit of mayo. We are going to mix this. Now we're going to add our dill. Again, big deal. Fish helps your keto journey. It's packed with omega-3s and fatty acids that help your system fight the fat. Okay, it is all incorporated and we are going to let that sit while we tend to the fish. Okay, so we are just going to move these around a little bit. Now you can eat the skin if you want, or you can take it off. And I'm going to turn these over. Beautiful. Alright, you're going to let that sit for a little bit and check on them again here. Okay, so it's been a little bit and we're going to go ahead and flip it. Ah, there we go. There we go. We don't want the heat too hot. I've got mine set about 5. I don't know if you use a different type of stove. It's about medium heat, not too hot, and just enough to boil the butter. And we want to get all of the sides. So we're going to come back in about 10 more minutes and we're going to flip it again. And it's okay to have a little bit of fat buildup. The fat buildup is perfect. Being on the keto diet, you want the fat. All right. Now we're going to flip it to the other side here. Get the other side going. Ah, there we are. We're aiming to get all of the sides, and we want this dark color right here. So we're going to wait another 10 minutes and see how this looks. Alright, now it's been cooking on every single side. Look at that color. See what this has to offer. Yep. It is done. Now you can sheet if you want and use the oven and or air fryer to do the same thing. So now we are going to dish this up. I'm going to throw that in there. And you can remove the skin if you want to. It is not mandatory. Next, we are going to put some sauce on it. So, we're at the table and I decided that I am going to remove the skin, like so. And there we are. And if you want to, you can grill this back and get this nice and brown. So for our final recipe, we are going to take our sauce, our cream sauce, and this is where you make it your own. You can add lemon juice, you can add a little bit of red wine vinegar, or you can make it a creamy sauce and add whole cream, like so. And this thins it. And you don't have to use salmon. You can use trout, you can use tilapia or mahi-mahi, even swordfish, whatever you have laying around the house. We are going to take the sauce and we are going to drizzle it, like so. Oh, look at that. That is some beautiful salmon right there. That was good. Delicious. Little drizzle of lemon would just take this over the top. And pepper, maybe a little bit of pepper. But it is good just as is. So there you go. Viking salmon with dill sauce. Thank you. Lycka till. Skål.